Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You start by inspecting the pan, remove loose rust, confirm the seasoning looks even, and tighten the handle if needed. Place the skillet on medium heat and watch for gentle shimmer. This equalizes temperature and prevents hot spots. Once warm, add 1 thin tablespoon of oil or a small pat of solid fat and tilt to coat the surface. You do this because a properly heated, lightly oiled surface creates natural nonstick behavior and locks in flavor from the first contact. You should sear proteins at a higher heat briefly to develop a caramelized crust. This Maillard reaction gives depth and texture. After a good sear, reduce to medium-low to finish cooking through without burning the exterior. Make sure not to overcrowd the pan because that dumps heat and causes steaming instead of browning. If needed, work in batches and hold finished items on a warm rack. Also, watch your oil's smoke point. If it smokes, lower heat and ventilate to protect taste and seasoning. When done, while the skillet is still warm, deglaze or scrub with coarse salt and a soft brush to lift residue. Rinse briefly, then dry completely to prevent rust. Once dry, rub a thin layer of oil and heat it until it smokes slightly to reseal the seasoning. If food begins to stick, reheat, add a bit more oil, and continue cooking. Persistent sticking or rust means you should strip the pan with a paste or oven method and re-season from scratch. That restores non-stick performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.